backed by open SIP protocol and IP connections. G510S can be easily configured and integrated with different systems such as IP phones, video surveillance and access control. It meets diversified scenarios and becomes an essential part of smart buildings. Built with face recognition, card access and other smart access control methods, plus the high-performance intercom and compact design. G510S will be a powerful enhancement of home security. Smart fill light is automatically activated when it is dim, with soft illumination. In terms of design, G510S uses a fully laminated 5-inch HD screen with a good display. When the device is in standby, the screen is hidden just like a piece of glass on the wall, which blends well in modern facade design. If you use G510S only for office access control, you can choose full-screen face recognition mode, which only supports face recognition card access function. G510S has a new UI and UX. The simple and clear guide can offer you a hassle-free and effective first-time using experience. You can switch the intercom mode you want for your apartment or office access control according to your needs. Also, you can quickly switch languages and the function buttons can be configured. On the web backend, G510S supports the opening and closing of address book, call, password, QR code, etc. It supports IC cards. WeGan and access control data can be easily imported and exported in the web backend. Microphone pickup holes on the side of the device. Full duplex microphone, built-in digital noise reduction, can achieve long-distance pickup. Through the digital wide dynamic noise reduction algorithm, even in noisy environments, you can also make clear voice intercom. The entire housing of G510S is made of V0 grade flame retardant material, which is environmentally friendly and recyclable. It is IP65 dustproof and waterproof and operates -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. That it can be safely placed for outdoor. Open your browser, enter the IP address of your device, and enter account and password. The home page displays information about the device, such as device model and account information. The intercom module is used to set the parameters of the intercom and monitoring. You can set up 4 accounts and support 2 accounts to use at the same time. You need to fill in the display name, registration name, password, and server address. You can also set the transmission method and proxy server, and save it when you're done. Next, you can add a contact. Add a contact through the IP direct call on the page. After completing the device address book will have this contact. Advanced settings have more settings for intercom functions, such as audio, video, talk time, and auto answer. In addition to video intercom, the device also supports RTSP and ONVIF to fulfill the application scenario as a monitor. The relevant settings are here. This is the RTSP setting and this is the ONVIF setting. The file module supports adding IC card, PIN code, face recognition. Let's enter an account so that we can unlock the door by IC card, PIN code, and face recognition. Record module supports to view related records. There are unlocking records, call records, alarm records. The device module is mainly about the configuration of some device functions, such as relays, fill light. There are also display settings. The device supports 4 working modes. There are general mode, access control mode, face ID mode, contracts mode, can be applied to villas, office buildings, communities, and other scenes. The system modules mainly include basic system settings, network settings, security settings, upgrades, download logs and packet capture. E20 can be used in different places, such as parks, for emergency intercom systems. It can also be installed in parking lots, basement parking lots. The E20 has a night mode and the effective time can be set on the web page. With such a soft and large halo, it can be easier to find even in a low-light environment. It can also be used as an office door phone. The user can swipe the card to unlock and automatically record the attendance information. Visitors can call reception directly. Using the video output function of the IP phone, you can intercom and view different door phone on a large screen. We also provide cloud intercom service. The app is called NEXhome. You can download in App Store and Google Play.